Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a retro effect to your photo in Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, all you have to do is right here tap at plus sign, and it opens up your camera roll, and on that step you have to select some photo that you want to edit. Let it be that one. You can just check mark the photo and then hit on add, and it opens up editor mode where you can apply any effects to that photo. The first thing that I recommend you to do is to use magic retouch feature. Let me scale this photo for a bit. You can simply by selecting any of that options add a bunch of different filters to your photo in one click, just like that. So you can switch between these different types of effects, and if you want to compare these effects with the original photo, you can just hit on reset to see the original, and then you can add any effect to that photo. Once you did that, you can move on and open up effects tab. Sorry, not effects, but art styles, and right here you can find a lot of different art styles like cartoon, retro, vanilla, black and white, and others. And here we are looking for retro. So in that simple way we can add any retro style to our photo in that way, and also you can drag it left or right to check different styles. I like that one. You can then drag it and select among a lot of different filters. Once you did that, you can continue editing your video. You can add there some effects, some face effects. You can change the quality of that photo, and once you finished, you can hit right here at save button to save it to your camera roll. After that, you can hop out Lensa and open up Photos. On Photos, right here, you can easily find the photo that you have just created. Now, you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.